If the focal length of objective lens is increased, then magnifying power off. What happened to the magnifying power if the focal length of the objective lens is increased? Okay, here they are going to give the options microscope and a telescope. So we need to find in these two equipments what happens here. Okay, in case of microscope, if the magnifying power, that is, we can write that equation as LD divided by F naught into FE. Then the magnifying power is inversely proportional to the F naught in case of microscope. But in case of telescope, that is the magnifying power, that is F naught by FE. That means it is directly proportional here. Directly proportional. Then, if the focal length of the objective lens is increased, the magnifying power of the microscope will be decreases, while that of the telescope will increases. So here we can choose microscope will increases, but that of the telescope is decreases. No, it is not correct. Microscope, telescope both will be increased. This is also not correct. Microscope and telescope both are decreased. It is not correct. Microscope will be decreases, but that of the telescope is increases. Yes, this is correct. Option D is the right answer.